So this is where we are travelling to see my niece. It was her birthday, and we had lovely food and a really nice time just celebrating. Family with family and my brother and sister's friends, and it was just a really nice summer occasion. And this is where I think we're going to tennis actually. Me and my son does tennis each week.
Yeah.
And that's where we were going on that journey. And yeah, it was really good fun. We enjoyed it. And then this is where we're driving around Epsom. Me, my husband and my son, we like to go for coffees. And so we just like to, make the most of what we have around us. And that's exactly what we did. We enjoy coffees, walks, and my son loves it too. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me just travelling around Epsom and you in London as well on a real occasion. And thanks for watching my video and watching me travel. And if you'd like to see more videos, then please let me know.